Discover the Nike Dunk Low Retro SE Phantom, a refined take on the classic 1980s dunk that blends modern craftsmanship with timeless style. This pair features rich brushed suede, creating soft shadows and layered textures across the Phantom upper. Its matte swoosh, precise stitching, and elegant mesh tongue form a subtle contrast that highlights premium detailing. The milky outsole, pale laces, and clean silhouette deliver a calm yet captivating look perfect for both streetwear and everyday outfits. Designed with gentle color gradations and a woven-like texture, this Dunk Low elevates light-toned sneakers with a sophisticated feel. Every element, from the perforated toe to the embroidered heel tab, showcases quiet craftsmanship that stands out without being loud. For sneaker fans seeking a soft, modern aesthetic rooted in history, the Nike Dunk Low Retro SE Phantom offers understated style, versatile appeal, and premium material expression all in one.